I'm Lee Hayes-Byron, the Director at IFAS Extension, Sarasota County. I work with the talented Extension team to bring our community science-based information and technical assistance on everything from landscaping, water and waste, to natural resources, health, and sustainability. My priorities are working with our stakeholders and my staff to ensure we understand how best our programs can serve community needs. In the last couple years, we have sought opportunities to work with partner organizations to reach areas of our community that have historically been underserved. Before becoming director, I worked for Sarasota County in sustainability and natural resources for 13 years. As someone who grew up in Sarasota, it is a special honor to serve our residents and businesses through our local extension office.
Hi, my name is Sarah Davis, and I'm the 4-H Youth Development Extension Agent here in Sarasota County. And I'm super excited to share a little bit about 4-H. We are a youth development program. We focus on all things kids and training volunteers that work with kids. How does this happen? We engage youth in project-based learning that really builds leadership and life skills. Many of our programs focus on STEM topics, including science, environmental education, and many things in between. So we do this through a couple of different methods. We have community clubs, which meet typically in the evenings or on the weekends and engage kids in all kinds of cool projects. We do school programs. And we also have after-school opportunities, and we've also done some summer experiences, whether it's day camp, residential camp, or leadership experiences in Gainesville. So our main goal is really to excite kids about what they're passionate about and help them build leadership, citizenship skills, and learn how to become amazing members of our community. This past summer we did a day camp where kids got to explore all over Sarasota and learn about the main ecosystems that we have here in our environment. Several kids went on to Gainesville for competitions in 4-H public speaking and Share the Fun talent competition. And our clubs are getting up and running this fall. So there are a lot of opportunities. We really look to partner with agencies because it does take a village to promote positive youth development, and we would love to work, partner, or even just share resources. Contact me and be happy to answer any more questions that you have. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mindy Hannock, and I am the Community and School Garden Coordinator for IFAS Sarasota County Extension. I have a really cool job. I get to support the gardeners out at our 7 community gardens that we have throughout the county that are located in our parks. And then we also have many school gardens where we have phenomenal teachers, master gardeners, collaborating to teach kids about gardening and growing food. So in addition to that, there's things like the One Seed program where we put seed packets out to our local libraries seasonally to encourage people to try growing food at home. And I partner with master gardeners and our agents to create educational content that we can share about growing food and creating community gardens. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you outside gardening soon.
My name is Donna Elise Cook. I'm the residential horticulture agent, and I also oversee the Master Gardener Volunteer Program. We have almost 200 volunteers who right now are very busy preparing for their plant sale on October 9th. They do this every year and teach the public all about Florida-friendly plants that you can grow in your gardens. We also assist homeowners, homeowner association members, and community partners in Florida-friendly landscape practices. We also provide homeowner solutions at our plant clinics here at Twin Lakes Park and also in the community. We also will be working with 4-H groups on sustainable landscaping practices and garden-based learning. I come here from Cornell University in the same capacity both statewide and in various counties in New York State, and I'm excited to work with the Sarasota Master Gardeners and community.
Hi, I'm Dr. Marguerite Beckford. I work as the Commercial Horticulture Extension Agent here in Sarasota County, and my program areas focus on two educational topics. The first one is green industries best management practices, and what that does is it teaches golf course managers, ball field managers, professional landscapers, and nursery personnel about the best recommendations to keep their plants healthy. I also help them fulfill the requirements to obtain their pesticide and fertilizer licenses. My second area of focus is urban forestry, and in 2017 I launched Florida's first trademarked urban forestry tree steward program called Treejuvenation. And what Treejuvenation does is it teaches residents about the benefits of trees. Some of those benefits include cooler summer temperatures, cleaner water, and reduced flooding potential. And since we started the Treejuvenation program in 2017, we've helped Sarasota residents plant over 400 trees, and that's good for the planet because trees sequester carbon dioxide. So whenever you're in the neighborhood, stop by. We're on Clark Road in the Extension office. We'd love to see you.
Hello, my name is Carol White Evans, and I'm the Chemicals and the Environment Agent here at IFAS Extension, Sarasota County. The goal of this position is to look at the use and impacts of chemicals in the environment from different sources and to seek out ways to reduce those chemical inputs. I have two main areas of focus, which are integrated pest management and chemical education. Integrated pest management, IPM for short, is a very broad and comprehensive approach to pest control that helps to protect the environment, wildlife, and human health by utilizing methods that reduce the need for chemical intervention. IPM is a dynamic and holistic approach to managing pests both in and around the home. But the big picture is that IPM is truly all about prevention, protection, and being proactive. One of the IPM efforts is the Insect Identification Program, which supports community members, professional pest control operators through proper insect identification. This is actually the first step to IPM, knowing what the insect is, if it needs to be controlled, or if it's a beneficial bug. Since 99% of insects are beneficial, the insect you bring in for identification very well may be a good bug. The Buggy World program teaches residents how to look for and identify the most common insects found in the landscape. The Backyard Mosquito program provides information on how to eliminate mosquito breeding sites in the landscape. And the Urban IPM program teaches tricks in keeping insects from entering your home, all without the use of harsh chemicals. My chemical education program supports county residents as well as county staff and commercial pesticide applicators. One of the main education efforts is the biorational pesticides, alternative pesticides that can be used in place of conventional chemicals, both inside and outside the home. These products are great to use as part of our efforts to control pest insects while continuing to support a healthy ecosystem, decrease the chemicals in our waterways, and protect our pollinators and all other beneficial insects. So please join me if you're interested in learning about insect diversity of Florida and how to control pest insects while continue to be a good environmental steward.
Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Clements, the Ecology and Natural Resources Educator here at University of Florida IFAS Extension in Sarasota County. I coordinate a variety of environmental education programs for all ages about our Florida ecosystems. I am a lead Florida Master Naturalist Program instructor, and I offer a variety of guided walks at many of our Sarasota County preserves. I am also here for our community to offer you programs or to answer your questions and concerns about wildlife, native and invasive plants and animals, and the health benefits of nature. I look forward to meeting you and sharing my love of nature with you.
Hi, my name is Armando Rueda. I am the Florida Sea Grant Agent in Sarasota County. That means I'm the Marine and Coastal Agent in the Extension Office. My programs, it relates to three main focus: marine literacy, marine industries, and marine fisheries. In my marine literacy program, I teach youth an adult audience about our coastal and marine ecosystems. So for example, one program that's very common and well received in our community is the Florida Math and Naturals program. I teach the coastal systems, I teach wildlife monitoring, shoreline restoration, marine habitat restoration. That's a program with participants can learn about natural history, in my case focused in coastal and marine ecosystems. I do also presentations one-to-one to fishing groups that they ask me to come, HOAs, school groups, that kind of things, teaching about all different organisms and ecosystems that we have here, from mangroves to sharks to manatees to sea turtles, you name it. This is a nice program as well. That I teach is the marine debris program, where I teach kids about marine debris and adults about marine debris issues, and then we do beach cleanups. My marine industry program is focused more on stakeholders, with those stakeholders doing work in our coastal and shorelines. For example, people doing mangrove treatments, people managing the shorelines. So I teach about better, proper ways to trim mangroves and the importance of these different ecosystems. I also work with industries working on doing erosion controls. For example, those industries that normally will install seawall riprap, now we're looking into installing living shorelines, where we use natural elements to prevent erosion of our shoreline. So there's a few examples of my program with marine industries. I also have the marine fishery program, with that one is more focused into fishing. Not only working with the stakeholders that take people out and fishing or show them more coastal system like eco tour guides or fishing charters, but also with the community, the fishing community. So I give presentation and workshop to fishing clubs, youth fishing clubs made up of youth that want to learn more about fishing. We do fishing clinics, things of that nature. So my program is very diverse, but all of them are related to our coastal and marine ecosystem to make them more sustainable, to make our county more sustainable, and enhance the economic benefits of our community.
Hello, my name is Randy Penn. I am the Faculty Waste Reduction Agent here at the Sarasota County Extension. Now that's kind of an unusual name, Waste Reduction Agent. I always kind of get teased and people call me the trash man, but it's really a lot more than that. My role supports a lot of the county programs that we have through our solid waste programs, recycling, the Green Business Partnership program that works with businesses in our community. I also work with schools and residents to help them be more effective from an environmental perspective. And I work a lot with the issue of food waste and recycling. And a great example of that is with one of my classes that I'm going to be having coming up here soon, which is called Virtual Vermiculture. And now we're actually going back live to Vermiculture 101. And what I like to use is one of our old recycling bins here. And if you're a Sarasota County resident, you might recognize one of these from our dual stream that's now single stream, which is part of our educational program. But we like to recycle or repurpose these type of items and use our worms. I'm going to dig in here and grab some of our worms here. I know they're probably not going to come up on the camera too well. They're really small, our red wigglers here, and we use those to help divert food waste, which is a big issue here in Sarasota County. So if you're interested in food waste, recycling, and those type of programs, come see me and join me in one of my classes here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Abby Turna, and I'm the Water Resources Extension Agent at IFAS Extension in Sarasota County. I'm here at the Twin Lakes office, standing in front of one of our stormwater ponds. My question for you is, how do you know this pond is healthy? Well, the good news is we have lots of tools and resources to help you answer that question at your own stormwater pond. Did you know that there are over 6,600 stormwater ponds throughout the county, and that number is growing? So we really need to do a good job at deciding whether or not our ponds are healthy, and if not, make changes so that they become healthy. All these stormwater ponds end up discharging to the bay, and we need to protect our bay. So if you're interested in learning more about healthy stormwater ponds or any water resources issues, please give me a call.
Hello, my name is Dr. Maria Portelos Ramito, and I am the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent here at our IFAS Extension Office. In my role, I program in the following areas: food and nutrition, food safety, food preservation through canning and dehydration, as well as disaster preparedness, closing up your Florida home, healthy homes, and green cleaning. I've just launched a new series titled Age Friendly, which includes topics such as fall prevention, as well as healthy eating and hydration. I've been in education for nearly 40 years, with 14 of those years here at our Extension office. I am here to help, assist, and also answer any questions you might have.
Hello, my name is Sarah Kane, and I'm the Sustainability Program Supervisor for Sarasota County at the UF IFAS Extension and Sustainability Department. In my role, I oversee sustainability priorities in government operations and throughout the community. The sustainability program covers many different topics, and we manage projects and educate the community on energy efficiency, solar, green building, green living, waste reduction, electric vehicles, and resiliency. I've been in the Sarasota community since 2005, working in various environmental roles, and I have a great passion for the outdoor environment and the marine environment we have here in Florida.